In the long history of the world, only a few generations have been granted the role of defending freedom in its hour of maximum danger.
But we're blessed by God with the right to say of our country, this is where freedom is. This is the land of limitless possibilities.
The energy, the faith, the devotion which we bring to this endeavor will light our country and all who serve it. And the glow from that fire can truly light the world.
But America is today what it was 2 centuries ago, a place that dreamers dream of. And America is a rocket pushing upward to the stars.
My fellow citizens of the world, ask not what America will do for you, but what together we can do for the freedom of man.